In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Figma on Mac. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in the Figma interface to grab the official desktop app for Mac OS, quickly and confidently. Start by opening Figma in your web browser and signing into your account. No matter which project or page you're on, look toward the very top left corner of the Figma interface. You'll see your account name or avatar there. Click it. This opens your account menu, which is where Figma keeps helpful links for managing your profile and accessing downloads. If your browser window is small or zoomed in, you might need to widen it slightly to reveal the full header so you can see your account name clearly. From that account menu, choose Get Desktop App. This is Figma's direct path to the official installers, so you don't need to hunt around. The desktop app is great for staying focused without juggling browser tabs, and it integrates nicely with macOS features. If you work with local fonts, the desktop setup also guides you toward using the font helper so your designs render as expected. You'll land on Figma's Downloads page. Here, click Desktop App for macOS. Make sure you're selecting the macOS option, since this ensures you receive the right installer for your Mac. In most cases, the site will detect your platform automatically, but it's still a good idea to confirm you're choosing the Mac download before proceeding. After you click the macOS download, your browser will begin downloading the installer file. You can monitor its progress in your browser's downloads tray. If the download doesn't start right away, give it a moment, then try clicking the button again. Also check that your internet connection is stable and that your browser isn't set to block downloads from new tabs. Once the file has finished downloading, you're ready to complete installation the same way you would with any trusted Mac app. Keep your Figma login details handy so you can sign in when the app first opens and sync your files. If you're on a managed or work device, you might need permission from your administrator before installing, so plan accordingly. That's all there is to it. Click your account name at the top left, choose Get Desktop App, and on the Downloads page, select Desktop App for macOS. With those clicks, you've got the official Figma installer on your Mac. Enjoy the smoother workflow, faster access to your files, and the convenience of having Figma ready to go right from your dock.